Hey guys, it's Ben. You've missed out on a couple pretty exciting days. Been out some old bloke's house out in the bush, fucking searching through all these old cars and fucking parts and shit, man. Just like mountains of crap everywhere. I'll stick a few photos up. Hopefully next time we go out there we can get some footage. We've been cleaning up my yard. I haven't got any footage of that either because it's like sorting out fucking shit boxes of crap. We're gonna try to get that finished today. Then I'm gonna start cleaning up the green car and we'll try to get some footage of that at least. I don't know if you have seen on the Nippon Nostalgic TV YouTube page, there's the video of me and Mick going and picking up the stanza that we got this gearbox from. And well, when I was going through my parts, I found the actual gear knob off that stanza that I'd taken off it when I first found it about 10 years ago. So now I have the gear knob to match my gearbox. Fucking awesome, eh? Okay, so we're about done. I'll just show you what we've got. These two heater boxes for a set of SUs on a oval port or GX, I'm not sure, head. More oval port. Then you got the Weber adapter there. 3 Webers. These have all been on running A series. I've got my front seats here. More just random bits. There's brand new drag link and blinkers in here, and yeah, there's tons of stuff in here. Like, this is that deep. Blinker switches, tacos. There's the headlights from the green coupe. There's at least 2 sets of the steering shrouds in there. In here there's heaps of fiddly bits down in this. Coupe console, sedan console. They're all sedan dashes. This dash top used to be mint, but it didn't like it sitting in the heat and it cracked. See my collection of guards. I've got to pick out a good set for the coupe here. I got at least 2 of each of these. I got more over there, more bumpers, more lights, more of this black thing if I need it. So by the time I get stuck into this coupe, I'm going to have so many parts laying around, and it's just going to be mix and match, put the best of everything in here. Second best of everything will go in the red sedan for the moment. And yeah, here is a bunch of spare steering columns. There's another milk crate there full of engine parts, spare round port head, a box full of A-series carbies. Okay, and then we got the garden shed, which I've already sort of cleaned out. Here's more coupe parts, more chrome, wagon lights. There is so many wagon tail lights, it's not funny. If you need wagon tail lights, I've got wagon tail lights. There's another under dash thing there, bash plate down there. There's hubcaps at the bottom. This box is that deep as well. It's jam full of stuff. 120Y automatic tail shaft there. I've actually got 3 or 4 120Y coupe automatic tail shafts laying around. Then over here, these are all the seats out of the 2-door station wagon. Like I said, you haven't seen much of that yet. There's also a set of black rear coupe seats in here, in case I want to put black seats in the green coupe. And over the back there's the rear hatch off of my first coupe. And alright, in the garage here, got the A series that come out of Mr. Tickle. That's what I want to use in the green car. But like I don't know, I'm starting to think L20B auto maybe from a Bluebird. But it's here. Don't throw out your fucking original engine just because you're doing an engine swap, because like, you know what fucking happens. You'll throw this cunt out, fucking sell it for nothing, and then 6 months later you'll be crying because you got to sell your car and it's worth shit with no fucking engine, or an engine that doesn't even fit in the fuck. Okay, welcome to the inside of the two-door station wagon. In here's a few parts. There's another heater there. All my grills and stuff are in here. Stuff I don't really want to get damaged. A few bumpers. There's some struts. They're going to a new home. Another sedan dash there. There's a ton of chrome down here as well. It's probably not the best place for it. Yeah, there's a few more parts in there. Most of it's just the chrome for this car, the dash for this car, and all my spare grills and stuff. So, but this is another one-day project. I've got everything sitting here to finish this car as well. Just not the time and effort. I guess we're getting there. We'll get there. We get this other car done. Give us some motivation. Hook into this bitch. That's about it. I've made a good dent in all my shit. Sorted it out. I know what's there, where everything is. That I've got everything I need. Now I gotta get the green car sanded back and in primer, get it straight, and yeah, get it ready for paint. That's my goal before I go back to work, is to have that thing sitting there ready for paint. Go back to work end of May now, well, 3 weeks now or some shit, and then save up a little bit and pay someone to paint it good, hopefully. But I don't know, I might do it myself yet. We have to see what happens. So anyway, I'll leave it there, go throw this all together, and I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope it all comes out really well, and yeah, go test out my new computer.